Santa.
Santa? That's from Santa.
What you
Must
ask
be your
Santa
big
for?
present.
I don't
What you
know.
asking for that you ain't got yet?
This is what I wanted. I think. Oh, so this is the poop. So, oh, I wanted it. So this one poops. This is this like I wanted.
Is that what you asked? Did Santa give you the right thing?
It's almost like the other one. Where are you? This is what I wanted. It's a poop and pee one.
The poop and pee one?
Yeah. But this one doesn't have a
Those
cameo.
are the 2 baby dolls you wanted, isn't it?
Yeah, but this can stand with Paul, and that can stand with Paul. Hey, that's so weird. Hey, how's the box stuff? I'll play with it. I'll play with it right now. I'll play with it right now.
You still have the stuff in your stocking yet.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna take it off. There's lots of stuff for me. Hey, this is kind of open. A wand! I mean, no, it's a pencil.
A pencil?
I thought it was a wand. Oh, kitty pencil!
Here.
Oh. Hey, what's this?
You gotta be careful when you...
How can I get it?
Toilet paper way over there.
Santa candy! Chocolate Santa candy. Oh, what's this? Oy. Oh. Wow, this
Yo. What's that? Might be easier to rip the bottom apart.
Can you go get my scissors, please?
Rip the paper off the bottom. That's the top.
Which one?
What is this? Huh?
Oh, I know it. Oh, there was. You said you needed shoes or something. That you said you needed a pair of shoes.
Pair of shoes.
Yeah. I said you needed a pair of shoes.
Oh.
This one you did.
That's it.
I'm looking for slippers for everybody with that.
Hey, look! Pencil!
Say I got.
You got soap?
Here, hand it to me.
No, I need a new watch.
Yeah.
What? Orange.
What? What is it, Play-Doh?
Yep.
Yeah, I thought you said something about shoes.
Play-Doh? There's one more stuff in here. Let me see.
What's with all those clips there?
I don't know.
You don't know what for?
Yeah.
I bet I know what that's for.
What?
How you like to hang things on your refrigerator. Is that really more band-aids?
Yeah.
See, I told you you didn't need no band-aids. You had plenty of band-aids. You just didn't know it yet.
I love these band-aids.
You have enough band-aids in it to last week.
I
at
love
least.
band-aids, Daddy. Don't worry about that.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, what's this? A toothbrush! Oops. This is
Oh,
the same.
brushes.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Hey!
So you press the button and you have to brush for as long as it's lit.
That's so cool! So that's something cool. Let me see what else is here.
Yeah, grab the papers. You gotta pick up all the papers so you don't get your stuff mixed up in the paper.
I know.
You know?
Oh, kitty band-aids! I love Hello Kitty. Is that Hello Kitty band-aid? Love it.
I think you need more Band-Aids.
Well, they keep running out really fast.
Yeah, how's that? You keep putting them on imaginary cuts? What's that? You can't guess.
Fantastic! Fantastic! I'll have my own tastic, you know. I do.
This right here will, you'll have to do this with Mama and Daddy or something. That's a real professional paint kit, sorta, kinda. Yeah, it could be a family thing.
I know that is.
You know what that is for? No.
Me.
Yeah, so you don't have to use Mama's.
Please, look at it. Look at all my hate you paper. Let me see what's inside.
No, don't open it. Well, I don't think it's... I think it's good, don't, Ember.
I can't. It's paper.
Yeah, it's covered.
Let me see what else is in here. Anything else? Nope. Look at what stuff, Tom.
Is that everything?
Yep.
Pick up all your paper so it doesn't get mixed in.
I had to take. Oh. I was maybe my dead babies really bad.
Here, give me one. And we'll probably need scissors.
What?
So you can probably stop that.
Can I put my? I want some plastic.
I think he's got 4 minutes left. Not many. It's almost.
Cool.
My plastic. Oh.
So don't lose your chapstick. Put it up on the table.
Oh, there you get something in this shop. Hey, give it to Mommy. Give it.
Mama. Smell it.
I did pull mine out that way. That's it. Oops, Embers. Give it to Mommy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, I was gonna say, I didn't see Mommy open her candies.
Toothbrushes.
I get toothbrushes too. Not to share with Mommy.
Look, there's more.
Huh?
Hey, weird. I did not see
That's what I kind of thought, because I have the hardest time finding.
I
I got it for myself,
thought
kind of not really, but I was gonna get you some more measuring spoons or
what's
whatever.
this?
But I was looking at this, it's like, well, this actually has the tablespoons and teaspoons on it, so like, if you're doing dry ingredients, put it in and put none on the end.
Oh, this baby doesn't have a diaper on. Mama,
I know, I
this
see
baby
that.
doesn't have a diaper on. I think it has a diaper on. I do.
Stocking stuff there, but not much of a stocking
I
stuff.
want to play this. Come on.
You want to play that?
Yes.
I didn't know which one would be for who. But I figured there's one's
Be the same.
acetone, one's non-acetone.
Oh.
This one's sweet.
One said for, that one says for regular and like fake nails, the other one says for regular nails, so I figured they don't matter. But,
Oh, there's no paper on it.
is there still paper on it? Yeah, before you go too crazy.
So this is how you.
Is that the backbone? See, that's what I should have got. I should get you a fireplace too. We could have one in the bedroom.